What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video. Today we're just gonna give you a quick update on one of my NFT projects that's just been going absolutely ballistic. A quick update on what I decided to ape into just today, as well as put back on your radar the two projects that I have been talking about in my previous videos, AstroSwap IDO, as well as the Rogue Sharks NFT project that's going to be dropping. But before I do so, let me hit you with my disclaimer, guys. This is not financial advice. Anything I say or do is not going to be financial advice. Please make sure that you do your own due diligence and research before you're investing any money. With that said, let's get right into it. Okay, guys, and before we get to the update, look at the price of Sol, $170. Keep that in mind as we run through these, guys, and we're gonna be running Galactic Geckos. I told you guys about this in my past video. This was a 2 Sol mint. The floor price today, if you take a look on Solanart, 52 Sol with 163,000 Sol traded in the past 10 days, guys. These things are taking off. It has a lot to do with the fact that there are 4 factions that you can get an NFT of today, and if you have one of each faction, there's going to be an upcoming way to get a 5th hidden faction, and since then people have been going ballistic, and the floor price has just, I mean, look at it. I don't even have to say what happened to it. Next up, guys, MetaBaes. This is a project that my boy Greyman put me on. He also put me on Galactic Geckos. I appreciate you for that. You've made me tens of thousands. Much love. MetaBaes, this one came out today. The minting price was 1 Sol. And again, I'm flying through these. Guys, this one is special because, yes, community engagement, just like all the NFT projects. Watch my previous videos. But essentially, they're going to be doing an airdrop to the first minters. So if you minted one of these, you will get an airdrop here within the first week. Additionally, you're going to be also featured or have a chance that your NFT gets featured in one of their comics, guys. This means that you can actually be involved in one of their storylines, and as a result of that, your NFT may increase in value. Guys, they're also doing an airdrop to 12 collectors that were in the top 25% of 5 Sol. Nothing big there. They're planning on going to do 3D rendering on all of these MetaBaes NFTs. That's pretty cool. They're also planning on actually including those 3D renders in some sort of metaverse in the future. So you're going to be able to run around as one of these MetaBaes, which is also cool. Additionally, they're going to actually work with a third-party production company that's going to be doing another comic series, and you can also be hosted, or not hosted, but featured in one of those. Your NFT has a chance of being featured there, so that's coming. And finally, this is the icing on the cake, guys, and I'm gonna read this one to you. A percentage of the original sale funds will be allocated to a pool where the funds will be used to buy back the floor price of MetaBase characters every week. This buyback will remain sustainable as we will dedicate a percent of the aftermarket transaction fees to the pool as well. All MetaBay holders will begin to receive weekly airdrops of Solana coin that is coming from the secondary market fees. It pays to hodl. We will be choosing 5 verified holders of MetaBase and grant them with an exclusive or inclusive 7-day anime themed tour of Japan or an option for a 25 Sol payout. That's pretty cool. I never win those things, so I'm not even going to get my hopes up there. And then finally, we will begin to donate a percentage of the proceeds to the AFSP, which is the American Foundation of Suicide Prevention, as September is the National Suicide Prevention Month, and we greatly support this cause. So guys, that's it for MetaBase. It pays to hold on to these. You are going to get some kind of passive income, guys. With the comics, by the way, if the storyline, for example, if there's a boss that is defeated, all MetaBay holders will then, as a result of that story, receive some kind of plaque, for example. So if they kill a boss in the comic, you might get a plaque of that boss's name or something that can also be traded on the secondary market. So that's also cool. So there's lots of ways to get passive income just from holding these, not to mention the fact that the floor price will go up, because if you look at the floor price, you can see it's already at 2.95 Sol with 14k Sol already traded. It hasn't even been a full day yet. Guys, If you look at Galactic Geckos, that thing is at 163K after 10 days. So you can see in one day at 14K. So if you kind of, if this volume were to continue on, we're looking at 140K after 10 days. That's exactly what we're looking for to get the kind of results and have that floor price go up. So moving right along, guys. Guys, next up we have AstroSwap. I just did a video on this, guys. This is a Cardano-based decentralized exchange that's going to be launching on Bluezilla's AdaPad launchpad. Guys, this is going to do another 100x, just like the other ones that I've discussed in my videos. Guys, go and check out those videos if you would. They're in my channel. But AstroSwap, the reason I am so bullish about this is because it has auto liquidity lock, meaning that projects can no longer rug pull you on yield farms and staking pools, and also cross-chain interoperability, meaning that I can trade from Cardano to other chains without having to move stuff to a different wallet and worry about any of that headache, because we all know that's a pain and that needs to be fixed, and this DEX is the starting point. And finally, they don't have much competition. There are only 2 or 3 other competitors out there that are looking to be the top decentralized exchange on Cardano. And as you know, with other blockchains, there's always more than one. So guys, that's AstroSwap. Moving right along, let's get into this final project. Last but not least, guys, we got Rogue Sharks here, and this is one that's coming out on the 9th of October, and 5,000 NFTs gonna be minted. Look at these. I mean, they look pretty dope, and not to mention the stuff that's coming ahead. Again, you guys know I am big on community engagement. Check out the other videos I've done on the NFT project. It's all about what can the project do to keep us engaged, to keep us coming back wanting more. Rogue Sharks is doing that. The downside here is it's a 5 soul mint price. That's all I'm gonna say, guys, and that's what I'm gonna leave you at. Guys, I hope you love this content. Please let me know in the comments your feedback, if there's anything you want me to do differently. If you liked the video, guys, smash the like, hit me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. I'm out.